Kedu ndị mere ọrụ ụlọ ha?
Me. Me.
Okay. Kedu ndị na-emere ọrụ ụlọ ha? Kedu ndị... Who's Okay. Kedu ndị mere ọrụ? Chimdi ụtọ mere ọrụ ụlọ gị? Chimdi ụtọ mere ọrụ ụlọ gị? Maka gịnị? Kedu ndị emere ọrụ ụlọ ha? Dara, ị mere ọrụ ụlọ gị? Kedu ihe mere unu na-emere ọrụ ụlọ unu na-amenwezikwa klaasị ọ bụrụ na ada eme ọrụ ụlọ? So how do we now measure our progress if we are not doing our worksheet and submitting it? How do we measure our progress? Ke ka ga-esi wee na-asụ Igbo ọ bụrụ na ya adịla eme ọrụ ụlọ anyị? We have to be doing it. I said writing and speaking. That's where the magic happens. You have to do it, then submit it. Then I can hear and correct. That's how to learn. Okay? All right. So let's pick our numbers and we start right away. Kaibido, Kaigwo, Onu Ogogo. We are going to take it in fives. So number one, ga kowo onwe with as many sentences as you can. No restriction. And after that, it's same achọrọ m ego ọnụọgụgụ Igbo. And you will start. I'm going to write what I'm saying here. Achọrọ m ego ọnụọgụgụ. I mean, somebody can help me with that. Achọrọ m. So after introducing yourself, you tell me achọrọ m ego ọnụọgụgụ, then you read the first five. So you read in fives. Okay? So number one, we read 1 to 5, etc., etc. All right, let's start. Are we ready?
Ma, the screen has a black box.
Is that okay now? Are you okay now? Pick your numbers and introduce yourself and read and count in fives. No, Ngwa, number one. Onye bụ onye nke mbụ? Onye nke mbụ. Chichi, can you help us monitor what's going on? The onye nke mbụ. Kedu afọ onye nke mbụ? Kedu onye nke mbụ?
Mama.
Okay, ngwa. Kọwaa onwe gị. Gwa anyị ihe ị chọrọ ime. Gụọ the first 5 numbers. Ngwa.
Ndewo na aha m bụ Chimdi Ụtọ. Adị m afọ 9. Adị m onye Mbakwụ. Ebi m na Blackpool. Aha ụlọ akwụkwọ m bụ St. Cuthbert. Taa achọrọ m ịgụ ọnụọgụgụ 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Five. Okay, 5. So the number 2 will read the next 5, 6 to 10, like that. We are counting in tens. Daalụ rinne, biko kọrọ nụ Chimdi Ụtọ aka. Daalụ. Kọwaa onwe gị. Well, as many sentences as we have learned that you can recall. ọkọwa onwe gị, and then you start by telling us achọrọ m ịgụ ọnụọgụgụ is written there in the chat. Then you recite the next 5. Okay, so kedu onye nke ịbụa? Kedu onye nke ịbụa? Chichi, I think you're muted. Are you?
Direction is number 2.
All right. Ngwa. We can't hear you. Can you hear her? Can't hear her.
That's enough for every event. That's actual.
Looks like maybe your network is breaking. Dara, we can't seem to hear you. Dara, can you repeat yourself? We didn't get you.
To speak loud, speak loud.
Yes. That's enough. I don't know.
Okay. I guess it's because your emotion appears your emotion. That's why we can't really hear most of what you said. All right, Onye nke ịtọ. Thank you, Dara. Onye nke ịtọ.
Frequency. So I start at 15.
Yeah, 11 to 15. That's what it means.
Irina.
Can you introduce yourself, Chikwesiri?
Oh, okay. Oh.
Ndewo.
Ndewo. Aha m bụ Chikwesiri George. Adị m afọ 11. Achọrọ m ịgụ ọnụọgụgụ. Okay. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Biko kọrọ ni aka. Daru. Good. Okay, number 4.
Ndewono. Aha m bụ Chukwuekike Igbo. Adị m afọ 14. Ebi m na Ohio. Anọ m na klaasị nke itoolu. Aha ụlọ akwụkwọ m bụ Alta High School. Achọrọ m ịgụ ọnụọgụgụ 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Kọrọ n'aka, ndewo. Daalụ. Oke, onye nke ise.
Ndewono abụde adị m afọ 10 bi m na United States of America. Abụ m onye Igbo. Achọrọ m ịgụ ọnụọgụgụ Igbo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Dabi, ihe abụrụ ihe anyị si esi gụọ. Ebụrụ ihe anyị na-agụ ka ị na-agụ. We are saying counting fives. Counting fives, following each person that's finished.
What? I can't hear you.
I said you are to count in fives, following the person that's just finished reading. So the person that's finished stopped at 20. So you have to count the next 5.
Oh, okay. Iri abụọ na otu, iri abụọ na atọ, iri abụọ na anọ, iri abụọ na ise.
Okay, daalụ, kọọlụ n'aka. Ọ dị mma. Onye nke isii. Onye nke isii.
Aha m bụ Chichi. Abụ m onye Abia Steeti. Ebi m na Ohio. Aha ụlọ akwụkwọ Columbus Academy. Adị m n'afọ 16. Achọrọ m ịgụ ọnụọgụgụ 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
Biko kọọrọ n'aka, daalụ, kọọrọ n'aka. Okay, onye nke Onye nke asaa, right? Onye nke asaa.
Ndewo, aha m bụ Chinaza George. Adị m n'afọ 13. Ebi m na North Dakota. Abụ m onye Enugu steeti. Achọrọ m ịbụ onye okpukpe. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Daalụ.
Daalụ, biko kọọlụ Chinaza aka. Imela ọfụma. Okay, while we are at it, Chichi, please can you pair everybody in a team? 1 with the last number, 2 with the next to the last number, so that people can know their team while we are rounding off this session. Okay, onye nke asatọ. Onye nke asatọ.
Ndewo, aha m bụ Beluchi, adị m afọ 11, ebi m na Dayton, abụ m onye Anambra steeti, anọ m na klaasị nke 6. Ihe na-amasị m ime bụ ịgụ akwụkwọ. Aha ụlọ akwụkwọ bụ Incarnation Catholic School. Achọrọ m ịgụ ọnụọgụgụ. 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Daalụ.
Biko kọọlụnụ bela aka. Daalụ. All right, onye nke itoolu. Onye nke itoolu.
Ndewo, aha m bụ Obinna, ebi m na Georgia. Aha ụlọ akwụkwọ m bụ Pulaski. Trying to remember what the last person ended. Okay. Iri anọ na otu. Iri anọ na ise.
Obinna, Egusigo. Looks like you're trying
Yes.
to, we can't hear, I don't think we heard most of what you said.
Ndewo, aha m bụ Obinna, ebi m na Georgia. Aha ụlọ akwụkwọ m bụ Pulaski. Iri anọ na otu, iri anọ na abụọ, iri anọ na atọ, iri anọ na anọ, iri anọ na ise.
Daalụ rinne, biko kọọlụnụ Obinna aka. Okay, number 10. Onye nke iri.
Ndewo, aha m bụ Keke, adị m afọ 14. ibe m na Ohio. Abụ m onye Abia State. Anọ m na klas nke um, itoolu. Iri anọ na ise, iri anọ na isii, iri na anọ, iri anọ na asaa, anọ na asatọ, iri anọ na itoolu, iri ise.
Biko kụpụrụ chairman aka. Come on. Daalụ rinne. Unu agbaka mbọ. Daalụ. Ọ dị mma na nke tata ihe m chọrọ ka anyị mee bụ anyị ga-ebu ụzọ mụọ our anthem, ụmụm Igbo anthem, and it's more like our values, what makes us who we are as Igbos. So I'm going to share my screen and we will be able to read it before we enter what we have for today's class, which is the family. We're going to learn about the family. Hold on, this is not it. While I'm looking at it. Hold on. Just give me 1 second. I'm trying to. Okay. Can you all see my screen now?
No.
Can you all see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. All right. We're going to read this. And for each sentence, I'll explain to you what that means. Okay? Ụmụm Igbo anthem. Anyị hụrụ Chukwu n'anya. We love God. Anyị na-asọpụrụ okenye. We honor our elders. Anyị na-arụsi ọrụ ike. We work hard. Anyị na-enye aka. We help. Ana m eme ezi omume kwa ụbọchị. I am always a good child every day. Anyị bụ ụmụọma Igbo, ụmụọma na-eme mma. We are ụmụọma Igbo. We are children who do good. All right. So we're going to read it, and I want everybody to take one sentence at a time. Okay, let's start with number 1. Can you read the first sentence?
Anyị hụrụ Chukwu n'anya.
Daalụ. Number 2. Ka onye bụ onye nke ịbụọ?
Darasima.
Dara, are you here? Is it a network issue? Okay, onye nke ịtọ. I'm sure everybody knows their number, right? Huh? Is there anybody?
Chikwesiri is number 9.
Chikwesiri, are you not here?
Okay.
Chikwesiri, read the next sentence.
Anyị na-arụsi ọrụ ike.
Okay, do you know what that means? Am I hoputara? If you don't know, it's okay. I don't really expect
I
you
don't
to.
know.
Okay, it's fine. Okay, onye nke anọ. Next person, please.
Anyị na-enye aka.
Good. Kedu ihe ọ pụtara?
We help people.
Okay. Next person.
Ana m eme ezi omume kwa ụbọchị.
Ịma ihe ọ pụtara?
Mba.
Okay, that's fine. Okay, number 6. Onye nke isii.
Anyị bụ ụmụ Igbo. Ụmụ na-eme mma.
Good. Anyị bụ ụmụ ọma Igbo, ụmụ ọma na-eme mma. Ịma ihe ọ pụtara? Do you know what that means? Okay, that's fine. Okay. Anyị hụrụ Chukwu n'anya. All right, the next person, read from up and go down. The next person, number 7, right? Ka ị bụ onye nke asaa.
Can you repeat what you said?
Onye nke asaa, read from the beginning. Read down.
Anyị hụrụ Chukwu n'anya.
Good. Next.
Anyị
No, not
na-asọpụrụ.
you. The next person. Next number.
Okay.
Number 8.
Nah. Do I read all the way down?
No, just one sentence.
Okay. Anyị na-asọpụrụ okenye.
Okay, number 9. Thank you. Number 9.
To be you now.
Obinna, are you there? Anyị na-arụsi ọrụ ike.
Again. Harun. Okay.
Obinna is not there.
You're on transit, so they can't say it again.
Obina, we didn't hear you. Did you say something? But it's fine. Okay. So these are our values. With time, I'll still share them in this thing. Everybody should read them. It's actually part of our anthem that we should have shared earlier on. So today we are going to be talking about family. Family is one of the things that make Igbos unique. We are family oriented. We place premium value on families. So today we'll be looking at what members of the family are addressed as. Okay. All right. So onye nke mbụ, ezinụlọ m pụtara my family. So we're going to learn about the people in our family and how they are called. Okay, before we go into this class, I want to know how many of us know the people in our family. Who are the people in your family?
No.
Nna. Okay. Who else? Chikwesiri.
Nne.
Nne. Who else knows? Bello.
Nwanne m nwoke.
Nwanne nwoke. Obinna. Kedu ihe a na-akpọ onye nọ n'ezinụlọ gị? Kedu? I like to know what you know before we start classes. Obinna, you raised your hand. Kedu ihe ndị ọzọ nọ n'ezinụlọ? Anyị akpọgo nna, anyị akpọgo nne. Kelee onye ọzọ. Who can we identify in your family? Oh, I think Obinna is having network issues. Dara, okay. Kedu ihe ọzọ a na-akpọ anybody in your family? Ada. I love that. Ada. Chikere, kedu ihe ọzọ a na-akpọ kedu ihe a na-akpọ mmadụ na ezinụlọ gị na your family? Kedu ndị make up your family?
Also Ada.
Ada, good. Chichi, kedu ndị ọzọ make up your family? Like what do you call brother, sister, mother, father, grandfather? What do you call them? That's what I'm asking.
I guess also Ada.
Ada, okay. So at the end of this class, we should be able to identify what each person is called. And we have a worksheet that you would be able to use to take home the lesson, okay? All right. Ezinụlọ. Ezinụlọ bụ ebe ịfụnanya. What that means is family is a place of love. Ịfụnanya is family. So some of these key vocabularies should have them locked in your notes. Ezinụlọ bụ ebe ịfụnanya. Ezinụlọ bụ ndị jikọrọ ọnụ na ọbara. So they are connected by blood. Okay? Fun fact again about ezinụlọ bụ na Chukwu mere ezinụlọ. Chukwu is God. God created the family, right? And o kere ha nwoke na nwanyị. That means he made them male and female. So nwoke bụ male, nwanyị bụ gịnị? Female. So these are some vocabulary words you should put in your family, in your Igbo notes, okay? Ezinụlọ bụ ebe ịfụnanya. Ha jikọrọ ọnụ site n'ọbara. They are connected by blood. Chukwu mere ezinụlọ. That means God created the family. O kere ha nwoke na nwanyị. That means God made them male and female. Remember, na pụtara and. Nwoke is male. Nwanyị is female. Okay? Good. Now, let's go and look at each person individually. Nna pụtara father or dad. Kedu onye bụ nna n'ezinụlọ? Chikwesịrị, you have a question?
It's fine.
You're good now?
Yes.
Okay. Chimbiota, any question?
When you said Chukwu Kereya Nwanne na Nwanyi, I thought Kere meant like divided.
Oh yeah, it depends on the context. Kere also means created. When you're talking about divided, you're talking about ike ihe, ke achicha or ke biscuit or something. So you're talking about sharing, to divide something. Ike ihe is to divide or to share. Some ihe kere, ikere something means created. You know, God created. So to say God created is kere. Okay, I think our chairman here, that's his name, Chikere. That's God created, right? So kere actually means created. Okay. All right. So nna pụtara father. And who is nna? Okenye nwoke n'ezinụlọ anyị. Recall, nwoke bụ gịnị? Male. Okenye means elder. The elder male in the family is the father. Okenye nwoke n'ezinụlọ anyị. Nna bụ onye isi ezinụlọ. That means the father is the head of the family. And we have nnam. So when we have me, it takes the form of possession. Nnam, my father. Nnam, my father. So someone can ask you, kedu aha nna gị? Aha, recall, aha is what? Name. Kedu aha nna gị? And you say, aha nnam, my father's name is aha nna m bụ, for instance, Patrick. Aha nna m bụ Michael. Okay? All right. Any questions so far? Any questions so far? Okay, let's go. Now, who can tell me what's on my screen? We have read Nna. Now we have moved over. Heading on screen. Who can I try to read what's on the screen? Are we here? What's going on? Who can tell me what's on the screen? Can somebody read for me? Are we seeing my screen?
Nne, mother. Onye nwanyị na-esi n'ụlọ anyị.
Now, before I
Are you still seeing my screen?
Okay.
Nne bụ okenye nwanyị n'ezinụlọ. That simply means the elderly female in the family, right? Nne, nne pụtara mom. Now you can ask a question. Kedu aha nne gị? What is your mom's name? And you can answer, aha nne m bụ. Nne m is my mother. Aha nne m. So somebody will ask you, kedu aha nne gị? Gị is your mother. And you say, my mother is aha nne m bụ. You now fill in the gap. Okay? Any questions? Any questions?
No.
Okay.
No.
All right. We go over to the next person in the family. Kedu onye bụ onye nke a?
Nwanne nwoke.
Nwanne nwoke. Nwanne nwoke pụtara gịnị na bekee?
Brother.
Nwanne nwoke pụtara brother. Nwanne nwoke bụ nwa nwoke n'ezinụlọ. The young male in the family is called nwanne nwoke. In the Igbo, a na-akpọ ha ọkpara, the son. He's the son and he's called ọkpara. So you hear people say ọkpara nnem, that means my mom's, literally translation is my mother's first son. So the son is called ọkpara. Good. So nwanne m nwoke will now be my brother. So you see where the me comes in now. Nwanne m nwoke. Meaning that you can also have nwanne m nwanyị. So nwa nwoke is the son or ọkpara. And you can ask, kedu aha nwanne gị nwoke? Simple. Aha nwanne m nwoke bụ Chikere, for instance. Okay, does that make sense? Chichi, does it make sense? Am I too fast?
No, it makes sense.
The screen is.
Are you seeing the screen now?
Yes.
Okay. Nwanne nwoke bụ nwa nwoke n'ezinụlọ. So if you have your worksheets, you can already see where to plug in the missing things to help you understand. Okay, we're going over to the next one. Nwanne nwanyị, sister. Nwanne nwanyị, sister. Okay, can somebody try to read the first sentence there? Obina, can you read the first sentence there?
You can't see.
Okay, no worries. I think Obina is on transit. Look, I'm just seeing the task. No worries. No worries there. Just pay attention. If you can hear us, that's fine. Who can read what's on the screen? Who can read? Chinaza, can you read?
Sure, but there's something blocking the screen.
Are you seeing it now?
Yes.
Okay.
Nwanne nwanyị bụ nwa nwanyị na ezi na ụlọ.
Good. Nwanne nwanyị bụ nwa nwanyị. When you say nwa, it means like the young or the baby or the young woman or the young girl in the family. Okay. Nwanne nwanyị bụ nwa nwanyị n'ezinụlọ. So when you say my sister, you are talking about nwanne m nwanyị, right? You are introducing the me, which is the possession. Nwanne m nwanyị, my sister. And my sister can also be called nwa nwanyị or ada. You heard a lot of us saying ada. So that simply means daughter. In Igbo, ada is very symbolic, just like the opera. Ada is usually associated with the first female child in the home. And the Igbo takes very, very, very cognizance of those people. They don't joke with them. So they are called Ada. The other females are also Ada, but symbolically, Ada usually represents the first daughter. Okay? So you can ask, kedu aha nwanne gị nwanyị? That would now make you to say, aha nwanne m nwanyị bụ. You fill in the gap. For instance, aha nwanne m nwanyị bụ Chinaza. Aha nwanne m nwoke bụ Ekeka, for instance. Okay? All right, let's now go to the grandpa, the extended family. Nna, nne, or nna, nna. Now, let me ask us a question. How many of us have grandpas? How many of us are grannies available? How many of us still have our grannies around? Okay, what do you call your granny, Chikere? What do you call him? Not the name. What do you call him generally?
I normally just call her grandma or grandpa.
Okay, grandma or grandpa. Okay. Who else has a different name he calls the grandma or grandpa? Tim Dioto. Uh-huh.
No, it's the same.
Huh?
It's the same one.
Okay, I said if you had something different. All right.
Yes, that's
So,
one.
okay. So you hear some people, Papa Nuku. Then in those days, we used to call Papa Nuku. Or literally speaking, it means nne, nna, nne, or nna, nna. That means my dad's dad or my mom's dad. Nna, nne, or nna, nna. I hope we are picking up these vocabularies and we are writing it in our notes. Are we writing?
We can't see your screen.
Really? Okay. I usually try to move from my screen and to see you people. Are you seeing my screen now?
Yes.
Okay, so
Yes.
nna nne or nna nna bụ okenye nwoke. Remember, okenye is elder. The elderly male that gave birth to my mom or to my dad. Okenye nwoke mụrụ. Mụrụ is gave birth. Mụrụ nne m, my mom, maọbụ nna m, my dad. Maọbụ simply means or. Maọbụ pụtara or. So nna nne m or nna nna m bụ okenye nwoke mụrụ nne m maọbụ nna m. So we call them my grandfather, nna nna m or papa nnukwu. So kedu aha nne nna nne gị or kedu aha nna nna gị? It simply means what is your grandfather's name? What is your grandfather's name? Okay? Aha nna nne m bụ, you say what the father's or your maternal grandfather is. So the maternal grandfather is your mom's father. That's maternal grandfather. Or your paternal grandfather would be your dad's father. So mmadụ jụọ gị, kedu aha nna nne gị? Or kedu aha nna nna gị? You'll be able to say, aha nna nne m bụ, aha nna nna m bụ. Alrighty, good. Let's go. Now we're switching to nne nne. Before I go to nne nne, I'm going to ask somebody. Tara, kedu aha nne nne gị? Nna nne gị, sorry. Kedu aha nna nne gị? First of all, do you know what I asked? I can't hear you, Dara.
Ask, what is my grandma's?
Okay, your maternal, your nna nne gị. What's that?
My father's grandma.
Nna
My
nne
father's
gị.
mother.
Exactly. My maternal father, that's my maternal grandfather, that's my mom's dad. Okay, so kedu aha nna nne gị? What do you say?
Aha. Not then.
Hmm? Bo. Eh?
Aha, na, abi.
Hey, I can't hear you. Did you people hear her? Did you hear her?
Aha,
I couldn't hear it clearly.
aha,
No, not clearly.
aha, na, abi.
Okay, I don't know. For some reason, we can't really hear you, but it's fine, Dara. I guess, are you on transit, Dara?
Yes.
Okay, no worries. So I won't worry you. As if you are hearing me, that's fine. You and Obina, you're on transit, so it's fine. Okay, let me ask Chichi. Chichi, kedu aha nna nne gị? Kedu aha nna nne gị?
I can't see your screen. And also, could you repeat it, please?
Okay, can you see my screen now?
Yes.
Okay, I said, kedu aha nne nna gị? Let's start with understanding. Did you understand what I asked?
No. Or what do I call my grandma?
Yeah, nne. Oh, sorry. I'm actually supposed to have asked for nna nne gị. Nna nne gị. Your maternal grandfather. Aha nna nne gị. That means the father of your mother. Kedu aha nna nne gị? Does that make sense?
Yes.
Okay, Ngwa, what do you say?
Uh, aha, aha, nne, uh, aha, na, nem,
Bo. Bo is.
bo, grandpa?
What's his name now? We know his grandpa. What's his name? Do you know his name?
No. Mba.
Uh-uh. You need to know, boy, you have a grandpa, right?
Yes.
Please, after this class, find out your grandpa's name. His name is not grandpa. He has a name. He won't be calling you, instead of calling you Chichi, he'll be calling you, hey, granddaughter. Does he do that?
Yes.
He does that. Okay. Okay. All right. Okay. Please find out his name. All right. Kedu aha nne nna gị? That will be our grandma. Okay. Same thing. We'll be running now. Ihe omume n'ezinụlọ, the things that we do in the family. Ịkọ akụkọ, we tell stories. Akụkọ bụ stories. Egwuregwu, we play. We play in the family. And isi nri. All right. Okay, so most times I have a worksheet for you. I'm sure you would have got your worksheet. It looks like this. This should be what your worksheet looks like. Please fill it up. Write your name, your class, and begin to identify the different people in your family. So, can somebody tell me, can you see my cursor? Can you see my cursor moving around a figure?
Yes.
Okay. Kedu ihe a na-akpọ onye anụnwa? Kedu ihe a na-akpọ ya? From our vocabulary, kedu ihe a na-akpọ onye a? Chinaza.
Nna, nne.
Good. It can be nna nnem or nna nnam. But mostly you are talking about your grandpa. So it can be, your grandpa can be nna nnem. So you can choose to write nna nnem or nna nnam. Good. Let me move down here. Who can tell me? Chikere. Kedu ihe a na-akpọ onye a?
Uh,
We talked about brother, sister. Can you remember what we said about this person?
mm, mm,
Chikwasiri, did you write anything in this class? Did you write?
I have, but
Yes.
Chikwasiri, did you write?
Yes.
No, not Chikwasiri. No, Chikere. It's Chikere that I'm asking. Chikere, did you write?
no, not yet.
Why? No, because if you had written now, you would have been able to recall from your screen, from your notes, what we've been learning. Who can help Chikere? Who can help Chikere? Chikwesiri, okay. Kedu ihe a na-akpọ onye ahụ?
It's brother and sister, right?
No, I didn't say.
Because I can't see your screen.
Okay. Here. This person. Kedu ihe a na-akpọ onye a?
Nwanne nwanyị.
Exactly. Nwanne nwanyị. Very good. I love that. Okay. Well done. So that brings us to the final part of we'll just touch base with our spelling. So everybody recognize your team. Remember what we did yesterday. Your team member, you introduce yourself. Aha m bụ Chikwesiri. Onye nke ọzọ say aha m bụ Chikere, for instance. Then said Chikwesiri said Chikere, super, so and so. Chikere will now super. Chikere will switch roles spell. 30 seconds for each team. We'll have to run now so that we can allow everybody to go and do what they're supposed to do. So I'm going to share my screen with the spelling bee word, and then we'll take it from there. Can we see my screen now? The spelling bee.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Odima. Team 1. 30 seconds. Chichi, please time 30 seconds. We need to run. Your time starts now.
Super. Nne.
Introduce yourself so that your team member will know your names. Say aha m bụ Ikpo then your team member will answer.
Aha m bụ Chimdiota.
Number 2.
Aha m bụ Chikere.
Super nne.
Ne, ne.
Coach Nani, we can't see your screen.
Really? Oh my God. I don't know why this thing is happening. I really want to be seeing you people, but it's okay. Let me see. Can you see my screen now?
Yes, we can see it.
Okay. Chichi, did you raise your hand?
Yes, it's been 30 seconds.
Okay, all right. Okay, let me pardon they didn't see the screen. Okay, switch roles, please.
Aha m bụ Keke.
You don't need to introduce yourself again. Just ask her because both of you have introduced yourself already. So you just ask directly. Okay? Ngwa.
Super Ada.
Ada.
Biko kụọrọ unu ha aka. Team 2, your time starts now. Team 2, that should be 3 and 4, please. Who are those? Okay, team 3, 4 and 5. I'll be 5 and 6. Team 3.
We have different numbers in the chat.
So, really?
Yeah, in the chat, team 2 is 2 and 9, and then
Oh, I'm
team
sorry.
3 is 3 and 8.
Okay. All right, 2 and 9. I'm sorry, 2 and 9. Let's go back to team 2. 2 and 9. Who are those?
On mute now. You are 9. Say that you are 9.
Okay.
Obinna.
Ahambo Chikwusiri George.
Okay, Chikwasiri, ask. Go ahead.
No one else is speaking.
Chikwasiri, ask Obina. Obina is your teammate. We're moving on.
Okay. Obina Isupe Isi. Or
Okay, I think Obina is on transit.
Obinna, say it again.
Okay, I think he's responded. Okay, Obina, ask Chikwasiri.
what did he say?
Super again. Okay, super Anya
What are you
Chikwasiri.
trying to say? Oko.
Anya.
Okay, Oko.
Uku. U. Ku. O. Uku.
Okwe O. Okwe, very good. Okwe O. Remember to sound it like the alphabet. Don't sound it like it sounds in the word. Not Okwo. No, it's Okwe. Each of those alphabets should be on their own, sounding it as it is in the alphabet, unaltered. Okwe O. Okwo. Okay, good. Team 3. 3 and I think 3 and 8, right? Team 3.
I'm 8, so
Who is 3? 3 and
Chikwusiri is 3.
huh?
Chikwusiri
Chikwasiri
is
just answered now. You can't be Chikwasiri again. Who is paired with 8? Chichi, who is paired with 8?
Team 3 is 3 and 8, and number 8 is supposed to be Belle.
Belle and who?
yeah.
Belle.
Chikwasiri, are you 3?
Yeah. I'm
Oh, you
gonna
just answered
say
2. You answered 2. Why?
I
Okay.
thought I
Who else?
was 2.
So who is two then? Who is two?
Two is
That's
their theme.
Dara, are you able to speak?
Yeah.
Okay, Dara and Bell, let's hear you. 30 seconds. Your time starts now.
Dara, Supe, Anya,
Huh?
Anya,
Oh. A, ne, I, a. Anya.
A. The Anya, Nye is one letter, not two different letters. The diagraphs are sounds as one. So Nye A. That's why it's broken into 3 syllables. Nye A. Anya. Very good. Okay. Darangwa Jo Bell.
Supe, obi.
There are lots of
Supe, obi.
Obi, O-B-E, Obi.
very good. Biko kwọrọ nọ ha aka. Team 4. Team 4.
aha m bụ Chinaza George.
4 and who? 7. Who is 7?
Ekeka. Actually, no.
No, it's
Yeah,
not Ekeka. Is it
I'm
Ekeka?
4.
I'm 7. He's 4.
Okay, ngwa.
Ekeka, Supe, Imi.
Imi. Ndewono, aha m bụ Ekeka. Chinaza, Supe, Ọnụ.
Anụ.
Biko kwọrọ nọ ha aka. Okay, team 5. Team 5.
Debbie, Supe, Ugo.
What did you say?
Supe, Ugo.
I don't know.
I can't hear you.
Said Super Ugo.
U, G, O. Ugo. Chi, Super, Nkita,
Ni, Ki, I, Ti, A. Nkita.
Amazing. I love that. Okay, is that the last team?
Yes.
Okay, everybody clap for yourself. Also, please keep practicing. This is a comprehensive list. If you go there down here, there'll be a bonus question for the senior class. So the senior class are actually answering what the junior class, you should have the list of the junior class in addition to about 6 letter words. Okay, so keep practicing. That will actually help your alphabet learning. Okay, All right. Michael just joined us. Michael, why are you just joining us? We've closed our class today. Bell, yeah.
So in the homework, oh, so what's the homework today? Like, what do we do for
Okay,
the
so
homework?
the homework is to fill up your worksheets, then introduce the members of your family. So you can say, aha mbo, you introduce yourself, aha nwanne m nwanyị bụ, aha nwanne m nwoke bụ, aha nne m bụ. Just introduce the
But if you
names.
don't have a brother?
Huh? If you don't have
What
a
if you don't
brother, you
have
can say, enweghị m nwanne nwoke. And if you don't have a sister, enweghị m. I'm going to write what enweghị m looks like. Okay? Enweghị m, or somebody can help. Some of my sharp students. Enweghị m. I would like you to also say what if you don't have any of those. It will, instead of you to not say anything, I want to say enweghị m. I don't have. So ọ bụrụ na ị nwere enweghị m nwanne nwanyị, say enweghị m nwanne nwanyị, enweghị m nwanne nwoke. Ọ bụkwa na enweghị nne nna, you can tell me enweghị m nne nna. Ọ bụkwa na ị nwere nne nna, but enweghị ịgwakwa m. So just introduce the members of your family, just everything that we've learned today. Okay? Say that,
Okay.
share that on the summer camp group. Okay? Any other questions? Any other question? I hope we're getting ready for our spelling bee on Saturday. It's going to be so much super fun. And there'll be awards to be presented by our BBC News journalists. So be ready for
Coach
our
Nani,
time.
where am I, Juju?
Biko keda ajụjụ gị Nneoma?
When you said there is like a workbook, is it also a soft copy? So can I also do it like online?
Oh yeah, if you can, it's fine. If you prefer to do that, that's fine. All I just want is for you to do it and for you to be able to speak it. That's where my interest. However you feel comfortable doing it is fine. Okay. All right. Kedu onye ọzọ nwere ajụjụ? Any other questions? Okay. In the absence, ọ bụrụ na anyị nwere ajụjụ, what do you say to Coach Nani?
Right?
Email Coach Nani.
Imeela, daalụ. Ngwa ka emesịa.
Dalo, kemesia.
Good.
Thank you for teaching us today.
Oh, I'm grateful. Thank you. Thank you.
If you ask me. Identity is my confidence. Coach Nani, I can't hear the music.
Huh? You said what? Is anybody here?
Am I supposed to be here?
You said what? We are finished.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye.